IMF कहती है इम्पोर्टेड हुकूमत को कि आप लोग जो अमीरों को सब्सिडी देते हो वो ख़त्म करो और गरीबों को रिलैक्स करो। और इम्पोर्टेड हुकूमत अमीरों को नवाज रही। इस वीडियो में देख लें, और किसी को नहीं आती तो किसी से ट्रांसलेट करवा लें। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
What we are asking for are steps that Pakistan needs to take to be able to function as a country and not to get into a dangerous place where that needs to be restructured. I want to stress that we are emphasizing two things. Number one, tax revenues. Those who can, those that are making good money, public sector, private sector, they need to contribute to the economy. And secondly, to have a fairer distribution of the pressures by moving subsidies only towards the people who really need it. It shouldn't be that the wealthy benefit from subsidies. It should be the poor to benefit from them. And there the fund is very clear. We want the poor people of Pakistan to be protected.